Hello everyone and welcome to Aviation A to Z. First of all, I wish Happy New Year to all the family members around the globe. Hope you achieve your goals or at least reach closer to it. Today, we will discuss one of the most important topics as getting job is our first priority after passing out of ME colleges, and we will see all the available job opportunities. So, let's get started. But before we start, remember that if you came in this field to become ME and only wanted to do, then please continue. We all know there are less vacancies compared to other fields, but still you can get job if you have that clear mind, and I wish you all a good luck. I have made this video to aware you about all the different options available after passing out from ME colleges or after doing ME course. Many of the students are not aware about such secondary options, so if you found this video informative, then please like it, share it with your friends, and finally subscribe if you are new to our channel. Number 1. ME Instructors. The first option, you all have seen it, as many of you have studied ME course or currently pursuing it. You can also become instructor after completing this course. Now, I have seen some of the super seniors who have passed out from same colleges are teaching to their juniors, and it's really a reputed job. If you are a really good student, then you can get job as fresher in that same or other college by showing your certificate, results and CV. If you want us to make a detailed video about each and every options including scope, eligibility, vacancy and most important salary, then please mention it in comment section. Moving ahead, we have number 2, management posts. The education is one of the biggest sector, and there are approximately 50 ME colleges in India. Each require a strong management to carry out course smoothly and following all the DGCA guidelines. So yes, if you are from ME background, then you can definitely work in management level in ME colleges. And remember, this experience will help you to get jobs in other colleges as well. You also get good pay, but only thing is that you need some good field experience, or you should have good teaching experience. The next post is very much related to ME field. Number 3, store manager or storekeeper. After doing detailed research about this post, we have concluded that yes, you can become storekeeper and later store manager in reputed airlines and MROs. Many freshers or people don't keep their eye on such posts, and that's why there is low competition, and you can get good pay as well. If we talk about Air India, they provide 22,000 to 70,000 depending on different posts like storekeeper, inspector, assistant financer, and highest post is manager. During my OGT, I have come across such people, and their job is really good as well as it's very calm job. So you can apply in it. Remember, this is all the options available for MEFI students, but your primary goal should be to enter in this field and become aircraft maintenance engineer. Yes, we all know there is struggle in this field, but once you go through this phase, then the future is bright with some real good pay and facility. So focus on your primary goal and then think about other options to keep your way open. At number 4, we have quality control or QC department jobs. Quality control is a dedicated department in airline and MRO who not only monitor all activities but also do various internal audit to ensure that work is carried out in coordination with DGCA and international regulations. They make sure that all flight operation, aircraft maintenance and training of personnel are conducted in accordance with standard procedures. Some airlines and MROs recruit ME field people, but they require some technical experience. But many times such posts get unnoticed, so still you can try your luck here and hope for best. Usually they recruit graduates, BTechs and MBA holders, but sometimes some small organizations recruit ME field persons. So hope for best again and apply if you have interest in management and inspection, as there are different posts such as QC inspector, QC analyst, QC manager, QC financer, etc. You have some real progress here. Moving ahead, we have similar job opportunity, which is number 5, camo. Yes, you are right, the paperwork guy's job. But in technical term, we call them planner, forecaster, compliance manager and engineer. Like in ME field, we have technician, senior technician, line ME, junior ME, senior ME, fleet engineer, etc. We also have different positions in CAMO, which is Continuous Airworthiness Management Organization. The 4 words itself reveal its role in aviation. They ensure that aircraft maintenance is carried out in accordance with approved AMP, that is approved maintenance program, and all maintenance are performed to ensure continuous airworthiness of customers' aircraft. Now, I used customer aircraft term here because many organizations contract CAMO activities so that it becomes easier for them to focus on maintenance and remaining paperwork and all technical documents to be handled by CAMO. Skills you need is very similar to AME field, but additional things such as project management, planning, and airworthiness and regulation knowledge should be thorough. Many CAMO prefers BSc AME, Aeronauticals, Aerospace, BTech or BE Mechanical or Electrical Engineers. But still, you can get job in it by showing some real good knowledge of our regulation. Remember guys, all the job mentioned here or going to mention will not be considered as practical aviation experience. That is, you don't have logbook entries or you are not working on aircraft, so it will not be considered as maintenance experience, and that's why you cannot become AME with such job. As already stated earlier, it's all secondary option and primary goal should be to become AME. But remember, all the experience gained in respective field will help in that field. For example, if you started as storekeeper, then after 6 months to 1 year, you can become senior storekeeper, then store inspector, then store finance manager, and finally store manager. And with experience, your salary will also increase. So all the jobs are good because everywhere with experience, you get some real good pay. Moving ahead to number 6, technical publication. Now we all know that AME follows manuals and various other documents to carry out all the maintenance activities. In our video on different types of aircraft manuals and documents, we have named all the manuals used by AME fit person, so do check it out. But have you ever wondered who prepared them? Some of you guessed it correctly, it's technical publication organizations. If you want, I will do a detailed video on it, as I have done one course and I will love to share the details. Now, technical publication has various job opportunities, as there are multiple manuals and we need expert in each one of them. And there are various organizations in India and world who provide jobs if you clear their difficult interview rounds. At the end of this video, we will tell you which job comes under which industry, so stay tuned. You can become technical writer, technical illustrator, technical lead, technical team head and manager, etc. And with this experience, you can work anywhere in world without any degree, so it's a great advantage. Last but not least, at number 7, we have Aerospace Department / Aircraft Management.